When Sexy Smooth Wax sends you wax, it is a free for all and it goes quick. These students are ready to snatch up this new wax brand. It just recently came out over the summer. It's called Sexy Smooth Wax. The color that we got, they call Purple Seduction, and we love it. Sexy Smooth Wax was so kind to send not only some for me to try, but some for each of my students to try as well. We finally are in wax week, so we finally got to break it out, try it, and see what we think. And we really love the results. You can see I just applied on the arm. It's so smooth. I'm about to tear it off and you'll see there's no breakage. I love a good thin wax that doesn't have any breakage on it. We're going to zoom in so you can see how clean it got. This is also on someone who's never really had their arms waxed, so this is a first time for that area. We also checked it out and you can see how beautiful the pull is, and I really love a good pliable wax. So you can see that it's a really workable wax. Plus, honestly, look how beautiful it is. Thank you, Sexy Smooth Wax. We love it.